How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another tiring intro because let me just open this up so I have some light. Alright guys, so welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass. This intro is very simple. In this video, we went out bass fishing and we did pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, we went out randomly. Like, it was not planned. We were just like, dude, I got the boat all hooked up, right? Got the trolling motor, just wanted to test out the boat, and basically I was like, dude, show up, let's just go test out the boat somewhere local, somewhere nearby, and just to see if there's anything biting on. But in this video, you guys will see that we were absolutely crushing these bass. Like, it was so much fun. I just want to go like do it again because it was just that much fun. Like, we were throwing lipless. Let me show you guys. Pro lipless crankbait. Okay, I want to show it right here, so let's focus on my face. Pro lipless. So this is the junior. I did have one size bigger than this, but Pike decided to take my lure for free. So overall, we caught a ton of pike, like lots of pike. We lost count of the pike there. I'm just gonna show you guys the bass. It was a pre-spawn bite. We were throwing lipless on flats to shallow points, right, from deep to like shallow points, and they were just loaded. Like, we had a ton of them. We caught smaller ones too, but I'm only gonna show you guys the part that to me was the most enjoyable, right, throughout the day. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button, it comes down below, hit the thumbs up, and I got some fun content coming to you guys. I have a very special guest coming to this channel, so I don't want to spoil anything. If you guys do know, then you know. If you guys don't, follow me on Instagram and you guys will see like what's going on. So enjoy this video. Bass fishing it is. Peace.
What was that?
I put my tires. I get them for free. Got him. Yep, right there. It's a pike. Is it bass? Oh, it's a bass. Oh, shit. Where's the net? Chow, it's a bigger too.
Ooh, where's it at?
It's right there, sir, but it's alright, man. That's a nice one.
Oh, it's
Big
a nice
girl,
bass.
big girl. Oh!
Big bass.
Turn the camera up. Got it?
Where's it?
Oh, dude, right there, right there. What the big girl?
Ooh, the big girl.
Out in the shallow. First bass of the day. It'll take 11 minutes. Oh, that's a pre-spawn baby right there. She is black. We got a scale right there too if you want to weigh her. I'd say about 3 pounds. But let's throw her in the well for now so I can get away, and then we're gonna let her go, okay? Big girl, we're gonna take good care of her. Say 3 pounds. 3 pounds.
I'll say 3.
3, 1.
Yeah.
Lock it. Yeah, we're locked up. So, there's a big girl. 3-pounder. Alright, catch your release. See a big girl. Look at her, bro. Yeah, it climbs a little bit, but they should be good.
Got him.
Yep. Pike. Oh shit, too much to throw. What's a bass, dude? Oh, big
Giant bass, dude.
Big
Oh, crap. Giant bass.
I was like, it's a pike.
Giant bass.
That's it, yep. Nice. Oh. Let's go. Okay, go ahead and keep fishing. That's a nice bass. We got him. We got him done, guys. Beautiful. We put it in a well real quick so we can like chill out. Yeah, because once the bass they fight like that, they get a little exhausted. So I just want to, you know, chill her out real quick and then take a picture and let it go. Yep.
3.5.
Yep. Oh shit. Yep. 3.5. Lock it. Alright, we got 2-3 so far. Beautiful fish right there. Big girl going back. I'll drop my phone. There we go.
Yep.
Got one?
Yep.
Oh! Oh, big shit.
Dude!
Come from the. Come over here. Come over here.
Yeah!
Hold it off the camera.
Camera's in. Look,
Yeah,
devoured it.
take it off there, man. Put your foot, you hold it. I was just saying, hey, we're gonna anchor here real quick, alright? Boom! Hold it for that. Oh, I got one too, bro.
Right
Come
there,
on. Hold on. I got it. Hold it back. Big bass.
Big bass. Oh, let's go. Let's go.
3-pounder right here. Dude, man, me and Chow, I think we found a little sweet spot right here, guys. Lipless. Get away real quick. Let's hit a 3-2. Yep. Oh. 3-4 exact. Let's go. On that lipless crankbait. There we go. That's a better picture.
Gosh, man, that thing was tight.
Pincher.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a big walleye, dude.
Oh, I thought it was you.
No, but I do have a fish.
Oh, you do?
What the heck? Yeah, dude. Just pure weight. It's a bass. I think it's a bass. Yep. That's
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a good bass.
Ah! You inhaled it. Yeah.
Oh.
That's nice. Oh my God, we do the smash fest today, man. Just keep the nose over there. Pure weight, no smash. On that Spro lipless, nice little 2-pounder. I said 2.7. We're gonna weigh it though because we want some big fish on our scale. We're looking at, I was right. Oh, 213, almost 3 pounds. 2 pounds, 13 ounce. Lock it in. Good fish. So much fun.
Yep.
I've been knocked all up.
Come on, bass. Where are you guys?
Oh, just got hit. Just got hit. Gotta follow. He's still here, bro. Just got hit. Ah, I got him. Let's go. He came back for it. It's a low guy.
Right?
Oh, no. That's actually pulling really hard now. Oh, he broke me off.
Oh,
It's a pike. Yeah,
pike me off.
yeah. It's okay. That guy did his job. Got him. It's a nice one, dude.
Bass?
I think so, yeah. I think. I can't tell. It's too far. No. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a nice one, dude.
That's a nice.
Sheesh, look at that, y'all. She ate that Spro right there. That's a beautiful fish. Oh my God, look at the spot on her. That's crazy. Thick mama. Three, 5. We're gonna get a picture of her and let her go. Big old belly, pretty small. Right, girl. See ya, shawty. Got it. Yep, that's a bass. That's a bass, yeah. It's cool like a bass. That's a nice bass, dude. Might need to get a bass one. I don't know. I'm telling myself the bass I feel good. Oh yeah. Right. Ooh, what's another big one?
Another big one.
We're doing some damage out here. Ah, smells so good. Beautiful fish.
Yep.
Got him? Oh, hold on, bro. I can't help you, bro. Big one.
Hold on. Oh, yeah, that's a bass.
Well, my hook is still on you, so be careful. It's not that big.
Oh, yeah, this is big. Oh, dude.
All I saw was the head. Oh, back hook too. He trailed it.
Catch and release, guys.
50 plus.
Yeah, I saw that one coming. I was like, ah.
Got him right there. Oh, got him. That's a bass, dude.
That's a bass, dude. Damn. Where is it?
Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Woo!
Damn, dude, we're
That's
killing you, dude.
That's a tank right there.
That's a thing. It's a good size, too.
You sure?
Yeah.
That's a Big and catch and release. Big girl. 都让照照，人能照。
Got it?
Yeah, 人能照。照。
We found a money hole.
Yeah.
Dude, right by the dock again. I was like, damn, it's right by that dock again, dude.
Alright, toss fish.
Go.
Got him. Yep. There he was offshore.
That?
Yeah, I don't know yet. He spiked so hard, man. Big, dude. Oh, that's a nice bass.
That's a nice bass.
I got it.
You got it?
That's a nice bass. Oh, that's big, dude. Oh, I might need your help.
Here, give me that.
That's big, dude.
Oh,
This side.
that's a giant, dude.
Giant, dude.
Damn.
There he goes. That's a tank. I didn't think it was that big. Goodness. Oh, God. And it popped off, dude. That's a 4-pounder.
Dude, that's a 4-pounder.
Woo! Put him in a well really quick and let it calm down. Oh, 4-3, bro.
4-3? Damn.
Yeah, 4-3, locked in.
Show that picture.
Woo! 4-3, guys. 4 pounds, 3 ounces. I don't know if the GoPro's gonna see it, but don't let her go, alright? Take good care of her. Nice, beautiful fish. Look at that fish. Insane, dude. Wow. So cool. Right? Yeah, all day. Big and 4 pounds, 3 ounces,
Look at
guys.
the tail spawning.
4 pound, 3 ounce right here. Beautiful fish. See how shot she's out here.
Hey, you think it's stuck now, huh?
No current. Got him. Yeah.
What is it called?
Bass fish. Not big, but it's still good bass.
Oh, you got it, bro. Damn.
Big stuff, bro. That's still good fish.
Yeah.
Still a very thick, healthy fish, man. He's sick of it. Just